Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets, 30 seconds or less. That's the motive. Okay, let's go. So the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid 80% of the income that you bring in every single month. It doesn't go down. It stays at 80% every month, guys. Really build this up and make a lot of money. All right, guys. And I'm gonna show you the fastest way, 30 seconds or less, how to do it. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page so I show you guys real results. You know, results that do happen. All right. Boom. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal at all. So it's okay. So what we're gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys how to get the links, because you need the links to be able to promote the product. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. Before we do that though, I'm gonna show you the link that I use. I like to use this link because it promotes 3 products, all 80% income, guys. 80% income, all 3 products. So it's fantastic. That's the reason why I promote this one in particular. Most people only buy the 20 pack, but it's a lot of other products in this system. So anyway, guys, the first thing you want to do is click on my link in my description. Incomespeaks.com is the link. Step 1, you'll see that, and you just click on it. It's gonna take you to a page, looks something like this. Now what this is the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about how much money you can make, what it does, all that stuff, right? And essentially what it is, it's a funnel builder. Now what a funnel builder is, long story short, it's a series of websites to get you to buy something. Okay. And if you're an affiliate marketer, then you know that the biggest funnel builder out there that people use is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month, and they can get away with that because they were first, so they can get away with a crazy price like that. So people kind of stuck with them. But this right here is only $25 a month, guys, for the same features, but even more features, to be honest, because it has no limitations. Fantastic. So if you're interested in just that, it's a really good product, guys. So ultimately, let's talk about what you can make. It says $20 and $100 monthly commissions. That means you can make $120 off of each person each month, guys. Fantastic. All right. Now one more thing as well. There's also a high ticket sale, guys. High ticket sale. Now, first 3 days after buying the product, there's a high ticket sale. It's gonna be $500. All right. Now, if you buy that product, like somebody buy that product, you get $400 of that. But after those 3 days and they decide they want to buy it later, it's $1,000, and you get $800 of that. All right, guys. So this is a fantastic program to start with to really make a ton of money in general, no matter what you want to do, right? They also get a charity if you're interested in that. So what we're gonna do is just click on yes, I want in. Now that we in, you put in your basic information, you scroll down here, you get the product. All right. So one thing I want to speak on, if you use my link, you'll get HBA Premium free for 2 weeks. All right. Now this is the $125 product. You get $100 if you sell this product, so it's 80%, right? But you get it for 2 weeks for free. Now, which is really cool, is that it's all about teaching you how to promote the product in different ways on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, right? And it's a ton of people that promote this product, and they give you their information on what's working and what's not working. And the reason why it's constantly updated is because rules change, things work, things stop working. I don't had that happen to me multiple times. Well, something worked for a solid year, then it just stopped. And you kind of got to be careful. And so, for example, if you bought a TikTok course in last year that doesn't keep updating itself, you just wasted money. Because and people spend $3,000-$4,000 on these courses. Just waste your money if it doesn't update itself, because rules change. Something that worked last year on TikTok doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna work this year on TikTok, guys. All right, so and you also have an AI content creation machine to help you come up with tag logs or articles or whatever it may be. Okay. So anyway, yeah, you get that for free for 2 weeks. You get a sale with that product as well. You'll keep that $100 per month, guys, which is fantastic. So you just make a ton of money doing that. All right, so try that out. So now we need to find a way to promote. You go through the stuff, you get your links. Okay, now what? All right, so I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product. It only takes about 30 seconds once you really understand. All right, guys, so I'm gonna click on my second link in my description. It's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this: My Lead Gen Secrets. Now what that is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. And the reason why I say it only takes 30 seconds is because once you get into the system, let all the leads submit, you just load up an email that you already put in this, right? That's what we're gonna just gonna load up an email that we already done put in the system. And we're gonna start right here. Making money my first week. That's gonna be the email that we're gonna use. This is an email that I personally written. It will be in the description, guys, if you want to copy the email. So anyway, this is the email that we're gonna send. All right, email that we're sending. Yeah, I'm gonna just hit perfect timing, and what that's gonna do is send an email around the time that they check their email. All right, so they check it at 8 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna pop up at 8 o'clock in the morning, so it end up on top of the list. They see the, it lights up, more likely to check it out. And you want to hit preview, because that's gonna show. You gotta check your links and make sure they working. So I click on the link to make sure it works and go to the page. It does. Just close that. We send an email. Are done, guys. That's all it takes. All right, that's real simple stuff, and it's really good. And all you gotta do, guys, is stay consistent with this. You do this every day. All right, honestly, you just need to come to the page, do this every day. Now you could record yourself doing it like I'm doing myself and making a YouTube channel based on it and try to build up a YouTube channel. And yeah, you can get some more income like that as well, and more sales and stuff like I'm doing. That's perfectly all right. So that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.